Just an update on the trailer maintenance. This is the one we did the maintenance a few months ago. It's our 8x5. It's only a few years old. We pulled it apart and re-lubricated the bearings. It was all clean, reusing everything. And that'll be good for another quite a few years, probably 40,000 Ks before the next check. But probably once a year it's worth jacking up, checking for play and noise. But I just wanted to give you the update really on this one because we did have a change of plans compared to what we were going to do. And yep, you can see I've been busy with the paint, giving a bit of a touch up. And since then I've hammered the springs a little, which is why you can see the rust that's falling off from underneath. New bearings, all brand new Koyo bearings. I decided in the end. There's a bit of a story on our other YouTube channel, 4x4 Diesel. I'm not sure what information I gave in that video, but that's the next one to watch. If you haven't seen it, check that out. And yeah, so all new bearings and they're all torqued up to precision. It's bloody beautiful. Look at that. Sick. Just wanted to update you, new bearings. I was going to do the quick re-grease. One side I could see had been replaced. Would have been a failure of some sort. Luckily not too bad. And the other side still had the old water affected Chinese bearings, so we just put all new kits through and they were pretty cheap. So I got a spare set, so I've got a set of bearing buddies to put on if I want. I've got a spare set of bearings for each side, plus the old good ones, the Koyos that came out from one side as spares in case anyone else needs them. I'll throw them out the window as I go past when you're on the side of the road. Carefully, of course, so they land in your trailer or in your hand, not in your head. So these are the Koyo kits from your local bearing shop. They'll probably have a kit of some sort. Cheapest way to buy them, Koyo, and a decent quality seal. And that's all I've got to say. Just want to give you the update, new bearings. So if you thought I was reusing any of that crap, change your plans. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of the week and catch you on the next video.